Hey guys, so today we're doing a wild unboxing of the Ulanzi something tripod. So let's just do a quick unboxing and see what we get. Yeah. First off, impressions. This is a pretty attractive tripod, I must say. This part is the only part I'm not quite certain about. This has to lock, but how do I open here? I don't know. Oh, it's going in the tree. It's pretty tall. There's a lock, unlock something here, but I don't know how it works. But otherwise, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. You could unlock here. This will be good here, and you could use it as a little vlog tripod. Sorry. And yeah, it has a thing here, there, and I believe it's supposed to be able to open to hold your phone. So, see, to hold your phone. Nice. So in the next video, I'll show you that. This is for the camera, and yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and thumbnail. Still recording.